much money does your dealership leave on the table due to process breakdowns? When processes aren't followed, it's easy to blame employees, but the problem rarely lies with dealership staff. Good, hardworking employees exist everywhere. Problems related to process breakdowns occur because dealership managers fail to set expectations, or document processes, or train their employees on how to properly do their jobs. In my NADA workshop, I'm going to review the most common process breakdowns that occur in every dealership and every department. So when you have untrained employees following poor processes, your dealership leaves a lot of money on the table every single month of every single year, year after year. Do you want your dealership to run like a well-oiled machine? Well, then it's time for you to fix your processes once and for all. In my workshop, I'll explain my process breakdowns. I'll explain why process breakdowns occur and how they negatively impact your revenue and your employees' performance. When you fix these processes, you'll see your employees become more motivated, operate as a team, and most of all, do their jobs. And I'm sure you'd see CSI and revenue dollars increase. So join me as I reveal the 3-step process that will fix all your processes. We'll discuss in detail how to properly set expectations for employees, how to document your processes, and how to train and hold your employees accountable. I look forward to seeing you at my workshop in New Orleans.